The Defense Secretary Sir Michael Fallon has warned that Boeing's trade dispute with Bombardier could threaten its trading relationship with the government, along with thousands of jobs in Belfast. A complaint made by Boeing has seen the U.S. Department of Commerce propose a 220% tariff on the sale of Bombardier's new C-Series jets. The wings of the jets are manufactured in Belfast, giving rise to Fallon's warning. Consequently, Fallon delivered the clear message to Boeing that this could jeopardize lucrative defense contracts within the UK. He said Boeing is a major defense partner and one of the big winners of the latest defense review, so this is not the kind of behavior we expect from a long-term partner. This is not the behavior we expect of Boeing and could indeed jeopardize our future relationship with Boeing. He added Boeing stand to gain a lot of British defense spending. We have contracts in place with Boeing for new maritime patrol aircraft and for Apache attack helicopters, and they will also be bidding for other defense work, and this kind of behavior clearly could jeopardize our future relationship with Boeing. More than 4,000 people are employed in Belfast by Bombardier. The future of the C-Series jets appeared secure after Bombardier signed a $5.6 billion £4.16 billion deal in 2016 to provide the aircraft.